What we experienced so far is that there's less attention paid to the cleaning of parts. So let's start with step one, cleaning, because every part has to be cleaned. The only question is how you do it. To clean 3D printed parts in an efficient way, we developed the DyeMansion Powershot C system. When I speak about efficient, I speak about an automated process because this reduces your manpower, costs and lead time. And I also speak about damage prevention. Because if you think of damaging a part by a manual process, the result is always to rebuild a part. How does it work? Once you unpack your parts from the 3D printer, you can directly put them into the Powershot C system. There we are using a rotary basket and two blasting nozzles that shoot media onto the parts to remove excess powder. It's a 10 minutes process and it's very efficient and productive. Let me give you some numbers. If we think of a mid-sized part like this, for example, and a batch size of 100 parts, we calculated your costs per part and run of only 10 cents.